Which one is for Mommy?
And
How about for Tita Lu?
no, not for Tita Lu.
Why? Why no for Tita Lu? Wow, naman Tita Lu, no car.
Only this one.
Which one?
Only this helicopter.
Helicopter. How about for Daddy?
Only the...
How about Daddy's car?
I cannot find or choose the car.
Which one?
Oh, Daddy like the...
Which one? Show me what Daddy's like. Oh, show me Mommy's car. Mommy's car.
No,
Mommy.
that's my car.
No, that's mine.
It's like
I told you that's mine.
Mercedes-Benz.
That's mine.
It's like Mercedes-Benz.
It's like so that's why I choose red car because
This
I
is
like that car.
Tita Lu.
Ay, very good. Ay, and
No,
then,
that's for Tita Lu.
okay, now you're giving Tita Lu. And then for Ninang,
This for Ninang.
show me.
This for Ninang.
Ninang. And then Ate Ning.
That Ning is here.
Kuya Buboy.
No, don't talk.
Okay.
Not for Tita Lu. This.
Why? Why you change your mind?
This.
Why?
This.
Which one?
This is.
Where is for Kuya Eman?
This.
Which one?
This car.
Oh, gundo.
Mommy, I just drive crash. Mommy, not for Tita Lu. This.
Why? Why you don't like?
Not for Tita Lu.
Why you not giving Tita Lu's car so that she can use it from Ajman to Dubai?
Not Dubai.
Why?
Not Ashman to the Dubai.
Why?
No, I'm going home.
Where is your home?
Here.
Very good. So,
No, this is my home.
very good. Galing.
We